Hi, in this video, I'll discuss about the top clause. So what is the top clause and what is the use of top clause? So see, select top clause returns record based on a specified number. The select top clause is used with large table to return hundred or thousands of record or top three, five records as per your business requirement. Returning large amount of record can impact performance of the query. So if you are extracting, suppose you have millions of data in your table, but you want to check the header of the data. So you need to write here, select top one star from table. Okay. So it will pick your one data with header. Okay. So let's see practical approach, how we can apply the top clause. Okay. So here I'm just opening the SQL server and we have data. So I'm just moving on training database. So use training, run it. So see here, training database has been activated. Now what you have to do, you need to write here, select star from orders. Let me check, do we have any data in orders table? As of now, you don't have any data. So I'm just checking same table in Udemy database. I have one Udemy database, run it. Now I have this table. Okay. So, but here I'll let you know same example with employee table. So here I'm just taking employee table, run it. So we don't have any data in employee table. So what I will do here, I will use the others table. Okay. Or use Udemy database, run it. As of now, Udemy database has been activated. Now I will write here others table. Now you have to run this query. So here, how we can utilize the top clause with this data set. Okay. So what you have to do, suppose I want to check top three records of this table. Okay. So your first record is this, second record is this, third record is this. So how we can utilize the top clause? So see here, I'm just writing, so select top three. I'm taking all the column. That's why I'm putting here a star from table name is orders. Run this command. So your three records is 1, 2, and 3. So these are three records. One row ID 1, 49, and 50. So I'm just running this command. So see here, you are getting same three records. But if you want to pick a specific column with three records, so you need to write here, select top three. I want to take here few columns like region. Here I will take region is first column, sales is second column, profit is third column from table name, orders. Now I will run it. Now you will get same row ID data with three columns. So see here, you are getting three columns. Here I will take one more row ID column. So I'm taking here row ID. So row ID. So row ID has a space between the column name. So you have to take into square bracket. Okay. So here I will take in square bracket. Now I will run this command. So see here, same row ID data you are getting. But my scenario is you need to pick 50% data of your table. As of now, you have total data is 8399. You want to pick 50% data of this table. So how we can pick 50% of data from this table? So you need to write here, select 50, top 50 percent star from table name, orders, run it. Now you will get same data, but here I am getting only 4200, which is a 50% of complete table. Okay, if you want to take only 25%, you have to take here 25% will be approximately 2100. Okay, so here I'm taking this and now I'm writing here 25%. So you will get here 2100 data. So see here I'm getting 2100 records. Now my scenario is you have to pick those records which is top sales. So I want to pick only top sales value. So you need to take here select top one star from table name is orders, and here I will write order by. Order by is used to order your data in ascending or descending order. Now you have to decide on which column you want to do order by. I want to do order by on sales column. So I'm taking here sales column. Run this command, but you will get here bottom data. So here I will apply order by descending. Which column you will get descending order? Sales column. And you will get only top one record. So top one record will be top one sales. So see here, this is the sales value, which is a top one sales value. If you want to take here top three sales value, then you need to take here top three and run it. So see here, you are getting top three sales value. If you want to take here bottom three cells, then you have to remove this order and you can run this command. You will get bottom three cells. See here, you are getting bottom three cells. Well, so this is a way to represent your data through the top statement. Thank you so much for this video.